That day when I finished that class, I was mind blown. The class was absolutely amazing. Everything and beyond of my expectations.
I found Barber Boot Camp because I said, oh, I need to be a barber because I wanted to offer barber cutting in my salon. And I just kept searching, and Lewis came up, and when I found him, you could just see what he means. You can tell he loves what he does, and it's not about money. He cares about what he teaches you. He shows you steps, and it's every bit worth it. This is my second day here. I wouldn't trade it for the world. I think he does an awesome job. He loves what he does.
Good. Good. There you go. Start under here, right? And then look, like that. Here, right there. Here, right there. See how it's going to the same place every time. Right there. Keep working. Good.
And I feel like I finally found the tools I needed to really successfully do a fade haircut.
When I stepped out of the suite, when I got into my car, I was with the biggest smile. I called my husband. I was just like, babe, this was amazing.
It was the missing piece. It's something that I wish I had done years ago. I wish I knew that it existed a long time ago when I first started doing hair. I feel like it would have prevented a lot of problems that I've had cutting hair, and now I know why.
I came to Barber Boot Camp because I wanted to execute a full barber cut with barber precision. I was tired of doing cosmetology haircut. I've seen like a hairstylist haircut is more soft and it don't have the crispiness. I wanted to fully give somebody a haircut that looked like they actually went to a barber shop. And I have definitely been empowered to do that now. I feel very confident that I can go and execute a barber style haircut from A to Z, giving them sharp lines, crisp cuts, finishing detail, and everything that I wanted I achieved at this Barber Boot Camp.
Flat and flush. One more right there. Now brush so you can see if it works. See it's working?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, continue on. Okay. Good. Look at you. Well, baby girl, you doing it. Look, baby sis over here making it happen.
It was just amazing. I told Mr. Liu that day that those 6 hours meant everything, because in those 6 hours I learned so much more than what I did in a year and a half in Cosmo school. And they don't do that in Cosmo school. They don't go step by step, they just teach you skateboard and that's it. So Lou, I consider him my mentor from that day on.
So when you come around here, how's the line? It's angle, right? So this needs to match. And when I say match, that's what I mean by match. Okay. Start right there, go. And you pop it on really first, okay? So I want you to go here first, right? And then there, okay? Here, there, here, there, okay? Go. Keep going. Yeah, keep it flat. You tilt it, don't tilt it. There you go. Good. That's it. That's it.
After that, I was so like that whole week I just couldn't stop talking about it, because I just couldn't believe that, wow, I actually did this, my blood was pumping, I knew I had it in me to become greater.
Woo! Watch out.
He was very encouraging. He gave us a lot of really great tips, and he made it feel like a safe environment to learn, and that, with that, sometimes you make mistakes, and he didn't make a big deal. He would just say, okay, here's how you fix it, which was, I thought, really nice.
Lou is amazing. He's very professional. He's very thorough. He has a great personality and a good disposition, and it makes it easy to learn from someone like that in this industry, because you don't always get that. He's very caring and he wants you to succeed.
I feel like I now really know how to do a fade haircut, whereas before I didn't. So I really finally filled the gaps to do it successfully, have a system, and just do it with confidence.
I love the way he carries himself. There is no intimidation. There is no talking down to anybody. And everyone in the class gets along.
I'm definitely proud I came and glad I came. And Mr. Lou is one of the best instructors you'll ever meet. He shows you everything. He don't hide nothing from you. He ain't hiding no trade secrets or anything. He giving you all he got. so that you have everything you need. Ask questions, any question. There's no stupid question. You ask anything you need to know. He'll make sure that you get all the information that you need so that you'll be empowered to go and execute that barber style haircut, just like I am. I'm proud and happy that I've came to Barber Boot Camp, and I hope you come too.